Hey, it's Dr. Mike Nelson here, a faculty member at the Carrick Institute. And in this video from the Carrick Institute's Human Performance Module 2, Dr. Kenneth J. walks us through how to maximize your performance with proper technique on the Concept 2 rower, all in less than 2 minutes. So if you want a great overview of how to get going rowing, check it out.
Forward. The heels can come up as you move forward. That's perfectly fine. That's no problem. And again, as you grab the handle, overhand grip, thumbless grip, because you need to be able to push with the thumb as well. Don't grab it like this. Grab it like that. Roll your shoulders forward into the catch position. And from here, you're going to drive with the legs first. Drive, drive, drive with the legs. My torso and my arms are going to begin to move. I'm going to lean back and I'm going to pull to my chest. Now it's the recovery. Arms first, torso, legs, legs, torso, arms, arms, torso, legs. And then it's a matter of sequencing it together. And making sure that the handle on the rowing machine passes the knees before I start to bend the knees. Right? The mistake I often see is this. Right? Or people staying leaning back like this the entire time without leaning forward. Right? Lean back, arms, torso, legs. And you can almost hear it how, when the rhythm is correct, how it just keeps accelerating the flywheel.